In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete box symbols in Microsoft Word. These small box-shaped symbols can sometimes appear in your document unexpectedly, and they often confuse users because they look like errors or strange characters that cannot be removed easily. In most cases, these boxes appear when special formatting marks, unsupported characters, or hidden symbols are displayed in the document. The good news is that Microsoft Word provides simple ways to remove or hide them so your document looks clean and professional again. To begin, open Microsoft Word and load the document where you are seeing the box symbols. Take a moment to look at the page and identify where these symbols appear. Sometimes they show up between words, next to spaces, or even at the end of lines. They may appear because Word is showing formatting marks that are normally hidden. One of the first things you should check is whether formatting marks are turned on. Look at the ribbon at the top of the screen and click the Home tab. In the Paragraph section, you will see a button that looks like a paragraph symbol. This button controls whether hidden formatting marks are visible in the document. If this feature is turned on, Word will display marks for spaces, paragraph breaks, and other formatting elements, which can sometimes appear as boxes depending on the font or system. Click that button once to turn off the formatting marks. As soon as you do this, many of the box symbols may disappear because they were simply hidden formatting indicators. If the boxes remain in the document, the next step is to try deleting them manually. Place your cursor directly next to the box symbol and press the backspace key or the delete key on your keyboard. In many situations, the box represents an extra character or formatting element that can be removed this way. As you review your document, carefully remove any unwanted symbols until the text appears clean and properly formatted. It's also a good idea to save your document once the corrections are complete. And that's how you can remove box symbols from your document in Microsoft Word. With just a few simple adjustments, you can quickly restore your document to a clear and readable format. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.